How to change your username on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here you will see this one, edit profile. Click on it, and here you will find this one, username. Click on it, and then just if you want to change it, just select any username you want and click save here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.